Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm out in my garden. I'm going to be potting up some okras. These are okra burgundy. These are started sprouting on the 24th of March and they've sprouted already. Today's the 30th, so they didn't take that long. So what I'll do, I'll get a plastic bag like this, put the name of what I'm putting on there, get a bit of kitchen towel, damp it a bit, then put the seeds on and then fold it over. Then I've got my seeds ready to sprout, which is a lot quicker. So I'm going to show you the rest of stuff what I've got. I've got my pots. I'm using these meant to be biodegradable pots. I've never used these before, but a lot of people said when you use these, still cut a line down them and take them out of the pot because they don't degrade that quick, as the people saying. So just sling them in your compost pile when you're ready. I've got my compost in here, which is a nice rich compost. Let my cameraman come in, and into that I'm going to put some bloodfish and bone. Then I'm going to mix that and I'm going to put some chicken manure pellets. Someone will say that you put this in when you're planting. I do that as well when I'm planting them out. I've got some permulite, which is a permalite mix. So I'm just going to put some of this in there. Just trying to go as quick as I can because we've got some impending weather coming. So just trying to get as much done as I can. So I'm going to mix that in. Make sure you give it a good mix in as well. As you can see, my compost is slightly damp. I'm going to put this covers back on just in case it starts to sprinkle. I've got my pots. Put the name of what I've putting in them so I know. Just going to top them up with the compost. I've never used these before, so I don't know much about them. So if you've got any tips on using these pots, I usually use the plastic ones, but these were going cheap, so I said I'll give them a try this time. Got a big worm in here, just take him out. Any big sticks and that you see, just take them out because you just want your roots. You just put in your compost in the pots and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, everybody, so I've got my pots potted up. Got a bit one of these pointed stick things. Just going to flatten this dirt down a bit in them. And these are my okras. These are how they're sprouted. So you just have to open up this very carefully. So that's what the okra looks like. Not all of them sprouted, but you got enough there to work with. So what I'll do, make a hole, and I get one, which is one sprout, and I drop that in the hole. Some people put two in. You can put two in if you want to put two in. You can put two in, and then you just lightly cover it over. I've got some of the green one as well, what I'm going to be doing as well. I'm not sure if those ones are sprouted because they were in a different place in my conservatory. So that's all you're going to be doing. So I'm going to be doing this and I'll be back with you in a minute. Everyone, so we've done that. Got the first lot done. These are the burgundy ones. So I'm going to put these ones in my conservatory on a shelf. And then hopefully they should be alright. I'm not watering them for now because there's a lot of water in the soil. I'll give them a couple of days to dry out and then we'll be back. I'm going to see the other lot if they're sprouted as well. Be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got another okra here. This is a crimson spineless. I think this is the most common one what they're planted. So I'm just gonna see if these ones have sprouted as well. I can get some of these in as well. So it's just water, bag, tissue, leave them for a few days. You need a warm place. You can see the water still dripping off of it. These ones ain't sprouted as much because these was in a different place. Now these ones as you can see ain't sprouted as much as the other ones. The other ones were more in the heat, so I'm gonna fold this one back over and leave these for a couple of days. Gonna put this one where the other one was. These will be ready in a couple of days, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, so those okras weren't sprouted the way I wanted them to. I've got another one here. This is a hybrid pear-shaped pumpkin, what someone gave me the seeds for. So I've done that in the same way. Just put them in a bag with water. You can see that some of them have sprouted already. But they seem to like that place where I put them, as the other ones haven't sprouted yet. Someone gave me these ones, so I can see that some of them have started to sprout already, and then some of them haven't. So what I do with my pumpkins, when I'm putting them in there, I'll take a little bit off of the side with a Stanley knife, just so that you can see the inside. You can see that one starting to come through, be through in a couple of days or so. But I'll put a Stanley knife in there, and then I'll take off that outer crust there, and then I lay them flat on there. So these are the ones what started sprouting. Yeah, these was planted on the 24th of this month as well. So you can see once you do that, they only take a few days. So I don't know if I've got enough in there to do all these pots, because I've got 1, 2, 11. So just one short, but I'll put one of the seeds in. So you're just doing it the same way as you do your okras. I've got other different pumpkins in there, but I'll be doing those in another video. I'm going to check the rest and see if they're sprouted, and then I'll do those. So you just put that in, just lightly cover the top. So you can see they've got a nice root system on them already. So these should come through in a couple of days. Some of them will come through and the seed will be down, the husk will be down the bottom, but you just still plant it. But the only thing is I put these in the wrong pot because I've put okra on the pots already. It doesn't matter. I think what I'll have to do is start doing the pots, marking the pots when I come out, so that I don't get that again. I thought the okras would have been ready. So I'll do this and I'll be back with you in a minute. So I've got all those pumpkins in their pots. You can see I've left a couple what's near the top, what's got the leaves on it. So those will come through in a couple of days. So I'm going to put these in the heat in my conservatory and get these going. So if you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section. I will get back to you. If you've got any other tips what you want to let me know about, then let me know. I've got about another 3 or 4 different pumpkins to plant out, which is different. Jamaican one, green one what's over here, I forgot what it's called, Crown Prince, and another couple of different pumpkins. This one was a hybrid one, which is a pear-shaped one, what's a long pear. So someone gave me the seeds for them, so I planted them and they're sprouted, so I've done that. So hopefully we'll get some pumpkins this year. If I've got any surplus plants and that, I'm going to put these ones. I'll put it up on my site. You can reach out to me. I only I advertise them as well on eBay, so if you're not quick you won't get any, but I'll put them up if they come up, and then I'll put them up if I've got any left over, then you can get them to buy from me. Just what I charge is just to help the channel along. You can either come and pick them up. I don't know how to post pot plants, so we'll do it that way. When it gets nearer the time, I'll see how many I've got on surplus, because I usually do some and give some away as well. So hopefully these have come through, the okras have come through, and I'll be planting some more over the next couple of days. So I'll be doing that, and then I'll let you see the progress of how these are getting along. So you take care, and I'll see you all on the next one, and happy gardening unto you. Press the subscribe button, don't only just watch, we need the subscribers on board, and press the notification so you can see when I'm doing new videos. Thanks for watching.